tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel Top Cart. Today, we've got a treat for you as we dive into the world of innovation and showcase the 10 coolest gadgets you can actually buy. From cutting-edge tech to clever solutions, we've scoured the market to bring you the latest and greatest. Whether you're a gadget guru or just looking to upgrade your gear, stay tuned for a lineup of game changers that are not only cool but readily available. Let's explore the future of tech together. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join us on this journey of discovery. Elevate your workouts with the Trainer Balance Board. This compact fitness essential transforms ordinary exercises into dynamic, full-body experiences. With 360-degree movement, engage core muscles and improve balance while reducing the risk of injuries. Suitable for all fitness levels, the Trainer Balance Board adds a fun dimension to your routine, making it enjoyable for everyone. Its lightweight and portable design mean you can take your fitness anywhere, whether at home, the gym, or outdoors. Ready to amplify your fitness journey? By repurposing a budget-friendly cutting machine, you can introduce a world of precision and versatility to your creative projects. Transform an affordable cutting machine with an Arduino board, stepper motor, and 3D printed parts. This customizable project brings precision to your creations, allowing you to cut intricate designs on various materials. Unleash your creativity with this cost-effective alternative and personalize your projects effortlessly. Upgrade your workspace with the LED desk lamp with Clamp, a perfect fusion of style and functionality. The clamp-on design saves desk space, while adjustable brightness and color temperature cater to your specific lighting needs. Enjoy a sleek, modern look that complements any decor, all while reducing eye strain with flicker-free technology. Go green with energy-efficient LEDs, making this lamp both environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Experience the future of bedside convenience with our wireless charging night light. This sleek device combines the functionality of a night light with wireless charging capability. Say goodbye to fumbling with cords. Just place your Qi-enabled device on the night light base for effortless charging. With adjustable brightness settings, it's the perfect companion for a soothing night's sleep. Simplify your bedside setup. Eliminate clutter, and enjoy the practical elegance of our wireless charging night light. Introducing the foldable lap desk, your portable office on the go. Unfold convenience wherever you are with this sleek, space-saving solution. Perfect for work or leisure, its ergonomic design provides a comfortable surface for your laptop, notebook, or tablet. The foldable legs adjust to your preferred height, and the compact design easily fits into your backpack. Ideal for remote work, studying, or just kicking back with a movie.
Meet the desktop docking station, your command center for seamless connectivity. This compact powerhouse transforms your desk into a tech hub, providing multiple USB ports, HDMI, and audio interfaces for effortless device integration. Fast-track productivity with a single plug-in, charging devices, connecting peripherals, and extending display options. Say goodbye to cable clutter and hello to streamlined efficiency. Elevate your desktop experience with the desktop docking station, the essential tool for a tidy, connected workspace. Create your cozy haven with the indoor bed tent, a private sanctuary for relaxation and rest. Easily transform your bed into a secluded retreat, shielding you from light and disturbances for a serene sleep environment. Crafted with breathable materials and a simple setup, this tent adds a touch of magic to bedtime, making it ideal for kids and adults alike. Embrace comfort, reduce distractions, and enhance your sleep sanctuary with the indoor bed tent. Sweet dreams await. Introducing the charging stand with LED light, the ultimate solution for organized charging and ambient lighting. This sleek stand not only keeps your devices neatly in place, but also features built-in LED lights to add a touch of sophistication to your space. Charge your phone, watch, or earbuds simultaneously with efficiency and style. The adjustable brightness settings cater to your needs, making it perfect for bedside tables or workstations. Simplify your charging routine. Step into a realm of tranquility with our cloud humidifier featuring the mesmerizing water drip effect. This innovative humidifier not only adds moisture to your space, but also mimics the gentle sound of water droplets for a calming ambience. Its cloud-shaped design brings a touch of whimsy to any room, creating a soothing environment for relaxation and better sleep. With easy operation and a stylish aesthetic, the cloud humidifier with water drip effect is the perfect blend of functionality and serenity. Elevate your atmosphere and embrace a breath of fresh, moisturized air. Introducing the cup holder tray, your portable convenience companion. This sleek tray effortlessly attaches to your car's cup holder, instantly providing a versatile surface for snacks, drinks, or your smartphone. Keep your essentials within arm's reach and eliminate spills while on the go. With its adjustable design, it accommodates various cup holder sizes, making it the perfect travel buddy for road trips, daily commutes, or even working from your vehicle. Say goodbye to awkward balancing acts and hello to a clutter-free, organized ride with the cup holder tray, the ultimate travel convenience.